today we have a new patient coming in for a minor procedure, just a very routine procedure. We've done this, I don't know, 1,000 times. Should be nothing. He should be up and ready to go within a couple minutes of the correction. Nice to meet you, sir. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Please have a seat. Please have a seat. You do not. No. I said a seat, mate. I do not say lie down, mate.
That's my back.
Okay, we'll do some quick measurement. This basically just measures stress in your upper back and lower back region. Okay. Okay. This should be just a minor procedure, nothing to worry about. We do 10 to 20 of these a day. You should be fine in a couple minutes, to be honest, after I do this site correction. Well, you seem to have a lot of built-up tissue pressure in the L6 to L1 region. So I'm just going to do a slight correction. It should take maybe 5 seconds and I'll ease off.
All right.
And then after, you should be back to normal, okay?
All right.
Okay, so. Okay. Hold your leg right there. Hold your leg. Hold your bloody leg.
Oh! Oh!
Hey, sir, please get up. Please get off the table. No, sir. Get up, you should see an immediate change.